Action of my story is successful landing. Shraddha is a pilot who flew flight very well. One day when he flew flight, suddenly he realized that the front wheel of aeroplane didn't work properly. First, he informed his co-pilot and also the control room, but but it's the duty of Shraddha and his co-pilot to land the aeroplane successfully. So she decided to land the aeroplane on the back front wheel, but it's risky. But first she informed all the passengers to put the seatbelt and sit tightly, and she can do it and land the aeroplane successfully. And after everyone will appreciate.
50 seconds, right? Time wise, okay, but Aditya, देखो, your identification with the character. Why can this not be a male pilot?
Because sir, I want to give a prefer to the woman character. That's why.
भाई देखो, कौन से SSB के लिए जा रहे हो?
Sir, for TES and Navy BTech both.
See, as I have said earlier also, जो आप कैरेक्टर जो हीरो देखते हो, आप सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर जो बनाते हो, now that is somewhere reflective of your thoughts and your actions. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे, you are speaking through that female pilot. So why can't you speak through that a male pilot that maybe you are in a position where you see yourself as a commander. The other thing is he जो पायलट और को पायलट, कैप्टन को पायलट होते हैं, वो दोनों cockpit mein, so both of them know that he doesn't have to inform, he can instruct his co-pilot something.
Yes,
right? I mean, these are small things, but yeah, they just keep those things in mind, and then he informs the ground control or ATC tower or whatever. ठीक है? तुम लोगों ने वो देखा है जो ATC के ऊपर there are some 4-5 videos that I have made. Interview with one Air Vice Marshal Sinha.
Yes, sir.
देखो उसमें, right? So you will get a sense of what exactly is there, happens in this. उसमें एक bad weather में emergency landing के बारे में भी एक वो है. So once you see this, you get a slightly better understanding. Okay, और ये जितने भी videos मैंने बनाए हैं, it is just to give you people a first-hand account of what exactly happens, right? And this is through the veterans who have so many years of experience. They are talking about them, right? A fighter controller, an air traffic controller, a fighter pilot, a transport pilot, and an engineer, right? Corps of engineers, Corps of EME, signals. So इनको देखो, right? So you will understand. You will have a slightly better understanding of things. Okay, so just थोड़ा सा भी fluency में issue है, but I think that has got more to do with that exposure. But it's okay. थोड़ा सा practice और चाहिए अभी. ठीक है?
Sir, I perceive multiple characters in the story, and the protagonist, the age is around 10 years to 60 years. The protagonist of the story is male, and mood is positive, and age around 28 years. Sir, the protagonist of the story is Aman, who is a 28-year-old captain of Air India. One fine day, he has to take the flight from Mumbai to the Srinagar airport, but all of a sudden weather got bad and the flight got delayed. But soon after, he got to note that there are some Indian Army jawans in the plane. They need to report the same day to their bases. He, looking at the urgency, he waited for the weather to fly good weather conditions so that they can fly. After getting some visibility, he got news that from the ATC that he can fly, so he fly to the Srinagar base, to the Srinagar airport with the maximum speed, so that the Jawans can reach on time to their bases, and that's how they landed safely on the Srinagar airport. Thank you.
Okay. Again, a little bit of time management. So long as the story is logical, it is okay. It is relevant. It is okay, right? We don't expect you to know everything that a pilot does, right? लेकिन अगर आप देख रहे हो, you want to be a pilot, you want to, you are aspiring for joining Air Force as a pilot, तब आपका maybe अगर आपकी knowledge, आपका exposure better है, तो it is still more desirable. PPDT per se, we are not looking at so much of depth, right? But yes, so long as the idea is okay, the theme is okay, you're able to relate the story to the picture, that is fine. So I would say satisfactory. Okay.